Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled carrots. First, gather your ingredients: fresh carrots, white vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and your favorite pickling spices like dill or garlic. Next, wash and peel about 1 pound of carrots, then slice them into uniform pieces, such as sticks or rounds, about 3 inches long. Finally, prepare your canning jars and lids by sterilizing them in boiling water to ensure a safe and successful pickling process. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring continuously until both the salt and sugar have completely dissolved. At this point, you can add your preferred pickling spices, like a teaspoon of dill seeds or a few whole garlic cloves, to infuse the brine with extra flavor. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Tightly arrange the sliced carrots into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave about ½ inch of headspace from the rim. Carefully pour the hot brine over the carrots, ensuring they are completely submerged in the liquid. Use a clean utensil to gently remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean, then place the lids and screw on the rings, tightening them securely, but not overly so. Once sealed, let the jars cool completely at room temperature for several hours. As they cool, you might hear a satisfying pop as the lids seal. After cooling, store your delicious pickled carrots in the refrigerator. For the best flavor, wait at least 24 hours before enjoying them, allowing the flavors to meld. They will keep well for several weeks. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.